Hello everybody, it's Christine. It is time for our Counterfeit Kit Challenge blog reveal. Let me show you the kit. It's the November Rain, not just for Boys Kit Club kit. So I think it was November 2023. And what we kind of have here is there's like oranges and blues and some grays. There's tons. To me, I saw a ton of orange. I saw some, actually, interestingly, there's some greens in here. There's actually a tiny baby bit of pink, not lots. There's this cool wood grain. Like there's some little banners in here, some florals. So what I've done is, I'm honestly so sad though. Y'all see this blue brick here? That is so pretty. I have nothing. I had a purple brick. I had no blue brick, and I'm kind of sad about it. And I didn't have any strap like that. I'm really sad about that too. Oh, and also these little gears. See how these little like gear looking things? So let me show you. I guess I should have had this organized a little better, you guys. I'm so sorry. Let me pull this aside here and show you my papers first. So the wood grain was kind of easy. I had a wood grain. And then again, I kind of focused on the blues and the oranges. So there was this kind of, I had this cool like grid. I think it's a Pink Fresh. No, it's a Hip Kit. Blue and green, or green, blue and orange. So I kind of got that as a color. And then I have this like orangey piece here. It's kind of, there was like an orangey rust. I'm going to try to show you guys this without making a huge mess. So there's like this like rusted kind of thing in here. So I was kind of thinking this could be like that. And then I have this, a similar type of thing, and I feel it's like kind of this like orangey grungy thing. I have no idea what that is, to be honest with you. It's just kind of a cool background. Then I have this. This is kind of taking the place of that diagonal stripe right there. And what I mean by that is I'm going to like pretend the green is not there. And I'm going to pretend, although there is pink in this kit, but I'm going to pretend the green is not there. Okay. And then I have another little piece that has like the oranges and the blues. This is kind of a remembrance paper here. And then I did find another little blue. It's kind of that bluish gray color. It's got little bird cages on it. There's also a neutral on the back side, which could be used as well. So either side could work for that one. I think this is actually from an old Stampin' Up kit. Then it's called November Rain, right? So I did find a little rain paper here from Adorn It. And there's a lot of stuff on the back too. This is kind of neat. It's like there's reds in here, which I wouldn't suggest as usable, but there's some green or some grays and stuff, but I'm probably going to stick with this side, I think. And then there's this plaid here, but I had nothing like that. So I did find a plaid, but it has the oranges and the blues. And again, I'm trying to stick in that orange-blue kind of palette. And then I did find this blue, which is kind of closer to like this brick blue or, you know, one of the little bit brighter blues. And then I also found, is this the same piece of paper? This right here, I can't tell if that's on the green side or the yellow side. So I went ahead, I kind of pulled out a yellow. I cannot swear on it, you guys, but it kind of has some of this reddish stuff here. So I don't know. We'll see if I can use that. It does go with this, I would say. Kind of good. And, you know, I don't know. We'll see how I can play with this. Then what I did is I also found in the kit, there's these green letters, this kind of greenish. I actually thought I had those letters, but I guess I don't. But I did find a little sticker book that has, it's a Simple Stories color vibe, but it has kind of that similar greenish, which could be interesting because I was pretending the green's gone, but who knows? And why there's green, I'm not 100% sure, because I think because in the florals there's some greens. So it's a little bit interesting to me that they've got green letters, unless that's a green paper, which is possible, but we'll see. We'll see. But then I also pulled out, because this I think was some add-ons to that kit, and there's like wood grain letters, so I pulled out a couple of wood grain letters. This one's on the light side, and this one's on the dark side, so I don't have this warm reddish letters here, wood grain, but that's okay. So there's that. And then I also pulled out, for the gear stuff, I had these little stamps, so we'll see if I get to use these little gear stamps. And then I had this little like measuring thing, so I thought that could be interesting. And then technically this isn't gears, it's a clock, but it's a piece of vellum, and I thought this could be interesting. Now there's music notes on it, I don't know. Again, I'm kind of, in my head, I was thinking like gears, kind of, like, because this is kind of that's, if you look here, see, we got the circle elements. So I was thinking, okay. And then also looking at this, there's this Simple Stories. They have all this little floral bits here. And I did have some Simple Stories kind of floral bits with like that orange kind of color to it. And then also some, I'm not sure what collection this was from, but there's some more orangey bits and things like that. So we'll see if I can get that used. And then this is also kind of some orange and stuff in it. It's technically actually from like a boho kit or something like that, but we'll see. And then I pulled out my banner punch because I did see, you know, a couple of banners in here. So I thought I might use that. And then out of my little sets of, I have like little iris kits with colored embellishments. So I pulled out my oranges and I pulled out my blues. That's all my blue stuff. That pretty butterfly. So that's kind of what I pulled out. I didn't want to like try to figure out individual embellishments at this point because I don't even have a clue what pictures I'm going to use. But that is my kit at the moment, you guys. It's not ginormous. It's kind of average sized, but I think it's usable. Confession time, I did, you know, the January kit was the December 2023 hip kit, and I actually had that kit. I got one layout done, y'all. Just one, just my challenge. I got into Baby Got Scraps and I didn't get anything else done. So anyway, that's where I'm at. So you guys, I'm kind of curious. Y'all jump over to the Facebook group, share if you make a kit. And of course, we have it on our blog. We'll have some challenges. We've added some challenges this year, so make sure you keep an eye out for those. I'm going to be doing a sketch challenge. I'm not going to reveal the sketch just yet. We'll show that a little bit later in the month, unless somebody else happens to reveal it. But at the moment, that's not going to be shown. And we'll see if I can get some more layouts down out of this one. So you guys have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.